1, 2, 3, come on.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Specular Skincare. In case you're passing by for the first time, help me subscribe to my channel, okay? Turns off the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming up from me, okay? How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are awesome. Okay, I want to specially thank our new subscribers who has joined the family, who has come to see what we are doing in our channel. You guys are welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining the family. And for our oldies, wow, you guys are awesome. Okay, you guys are super amazing. I love you guys all. Thank you for joining. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for supporting your girl. Thank you for giving me the zeal to do more. I love you guys. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a super effective dark spot remover cream. Okay, so this cream is going to clear your dark spots, is going to leave your face flawless, is going to clean your any spot at all in your face and leave your face youthful. Okay, so stay tuned, watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get down to our workstation. So guys, welcome to my workstation. Okay, this is my bowl I'll be working with and my measuring spoon. Okay, the bowl, as you can see, is well sanitized. Okay, please, whenever you want to make a production, make sure you sanitize your bowl, okay, to avoid skin infection and to avoid germs. Okay, sanitize your environment, okay, before making any production. Okay, so the first ingredient I'll be working with is my Carotone black spot corrector. Okay, this is a very nice spot corrector cream. Okay, so I'll be working with one of these. Okay, so guys, this is how it look like. So I'll be working with the whole bottle. Okay guys, the second ingredient I'll be working with is my Goji berry facial cream. Okay, this Goji berry facial cream, this is a very nice anti-aging facial cream. It contains hyaluronic acid. Okay, it's a very nice facial cream and it's a very nice moisturizing facial cream. Okay, I'll be working with it. So I'll be needing 2 tablespoons of my Goji berry facial cream. Okay, so 1, and 2. Ingredient is my Clincap. Okay, Clincap is very good for acne and pimples, and it's good for spots. Okay, it's also okay. So I'll be working with my Clincap, and is the gel, is not the cream. Okay, so in case you want to use, you can either use the gel or the cream, but for me, I prefer using the gel. Okay, because it's very effective. So guys, I'll be needing one of these. Is 15 gram. Okay, so I'll be needing the 15 gram of it. So I will go on and stir it very well before adding the remaining ingredients to it. Okay, Okay, so the next ingredient I'll be using is my Applevet. Applevet is a very nice lightening cream and it works for hyperpigmentation. It's a dark spot corrector cream. Okay, so I'll be working with 15 grams of my Applevet. Okay, so okay, and the next is my Acneaway. Okay, it's used in treatment of pimples, eczema, acne, fungi, bacteria, and other skin infections. Okay, and it clears dark spots so well. Okay, so I'll be needing my acne is 20 grams. I'll be making use of 15 grams. Okay, so okay guys, I'll go on and stir it very well before adding the other ingredients to it. Okay, sorry guys, the way I placed my camera is not good. Please just bear with me. I know with time we'll get better. Okay, next is my 3 Beta cream. Okay, 3 Beta cream is a spot remover. It works for acne, it works for pimples, it works for soft acne. Okay, so I'll be making use of my 15 grams of my 3 Beta cream. Okay, so keep turning it. Okay, keep turning it. Okay, guys, please, this cream is not a regular normal facial cream. Okay, once you get your actual result, you discontinue. Okay guys, the next I'll be working with is my Kojic Clear Fast Action Cream. Okay, this is a very nice lightening cream. Okay, and it's good for spots, it's good for pimples, it's good for acne, and it lightens the face so well. Okay, if you are dark skin and you are treating pimples, you are treating dark spots, please do not use it because it will lighten your face. Okay, it will lighten your face. So if you are dark skin and you are producing it, please don't use this Kojic Clear. I'll be using 20 grams of my Kojic Clear Fast Action Cream. Okay, okay, just 20 grams, and we are okay. Okay, make sure you turn your cream very well. Okay guys, turn it very well until it's well incorporated. Okay, sorry guys, my spot remover cream. Okay, the next one I'll be needing is my my miracle powder. Okay, miracle powder. As we all know, miracle powder is very good for the cure of burns, black spots, pimple, dark knuckles, brown patches, stretch mark, aftershave. Okay, if I'll be needing just a little of my miracle powder. Okay, so I think this one is enough. So let's turn it very well. In case you want to get any of this recipe, okay, just hit us up on our WhatsApp and we will attend to your message. Okay, and if you don't want to go the stress of producing this cream, you can hit us up and we will take the stress off you. Okay, we'll sell the already made products for you. Okay, this product works like magic. I swear down, it works like magic. Okay, it clears spots very well. Okay, so guys, the last ingredient I'll be working with is my tea tree oil. It's good for treatment. It's an essential oil. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, tea tree oil is very nice. You can make your research. Okay, it's very nice. It's a treatment cream. Okay, it works for pimples, it works for acne, it works for spots. Okay, so I'll be needing 2 drops of my tea tree oil. Okay, so let's go. 1 and 2. Okay, so guys, here is our effective dark spot remover. Okay, believe me, this thing work like magic. Okay, just take your time, try this recipe, and don't forget to come and give us feedback. Okay, I'll be waiting for your feedback. If this video was really helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, okay, to your friends to my channel. Okay, let them come and see what we are doing. Okay, we are giving a sincere recipe here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Okay, bye.